Facebook is one of the most popular social platforms across the world. Billions of people use Facebook to stay connected with each other. However, there are tons of fake Facebook profiles out there. Hey guys, this is Ice King. If you wanna be updated of the latest life hacks, tips, tricks, and tutorial videos, hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. Alright. So guys, if you find a fake Facebook account, you should immediately report it to Facebook because it is a sign of serious identity theft. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the complete step-by-step guide which you can follow to report a fake Facebook account. Ice King. In order to report a Facebook account, you have to sign into your Facebook account by entering your username and password. After you log in, find a fake Facebook account by entering the person's name into the search box at the top of the screen. Now if in case you can find it, try searching it through a name used in a post, comment, or message. Or else you can ask any of your friends if they can send a link to it. Now click on the three dots within the person's cover photo. From the drop-down options, select Find Support or Report Profile. And now from the given options, select Fake Account and tap Next. After that, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. And once you are done with all instructions, your report will be sent to Facebook's support team. And if they find that the profile is fake, they will take necessary action. Next is, we will press Continue Anyway. After that, you may read the community standards or directly tick the box. And then tap on Report. And then tap Next to continue. Now if you wanna block the account, which I highly recommend, just select Block from the given options. And all done. Thanks for watching.